Today's song is Homeward Bound by Paul Simon, and these are the chords that appear in Rise Up Singing for this song. But instead, I'm going to use these chords from the Jez Quayle arrangement. I'm also going to give some suggestions for some ways you can simplify Jez's arrangement to make it a little bit easier for a beginning player. You could start this out really simply just doing a G on those first several measures. I'm sitting in the railway station, got a ticket for my destination. And then switch C7. Okay, but the different G's make a nice variation in tone on this. So let's start with the regular G. And we'll switch to a G major 7, which you could do with 3 fingers on that 2nd fret or bar that 2nd fret on the bottom 3 strings. Got a ticket for my destination. Now G7. Okay, let's go ahead and try the chorus, just a single strum on each measure, and then we'll go back and do more strums. I'm sitting in the railway station, got a ticket for my destination. On a tour of one-night stands, my suitcase and guitar in hand. Every stop is neatly planned for a poet and a one-man band. And we'll get ready for that G to move into the chorus. Okay, let's go ahead and add some more strumming in on that. I'm sitting in the railway station, got a ticket for my destination. Let's do the easier version of the chorus. Let's just do it with a single strum. Homeward bound, I wish I was. Homeward bound, where my thoughts escaping home, where my music's playing home, where my love lies waiting silently. This is the more complicated version of the chorus. So it's going to start out exactly the same, but let's look at that 3rd line. We're going to have the G and a G for 1 measure each. But then we have some quick moves from C to G to F to C. Let's just try that. G, G, C, G, F. Okay, those changes are really quick, but give them a try. Let's try this. Homeward bound, I wish I was. Homeward bound, where my thoughts escaping home, where my music's playing home, where my love lies waiting silently for me. Let's go ahead and try it all straight through, starting on that G. I'm sitting